Spirit M. Hawk presents a Shocking Chakras Crown Chakra meditation visualization, balancing the Crown Chakra. Begin seated or lying down comfortably. Close your eyes or follow along with the visual in the video. There's no right or wrong way to do this. Peacefully slowing down the pace of your breath, inhale deeply and exhale completely, 3 full cycles. Continuing to breathe in deeply and exhale completely, visualize your breath as a pure white light energy coming in to your body. Picture the light filling your lungs and radiating up your spine and brainstem, up the back of your head to reach your crown chakra at the top of your head. Feel the warmth of that light pouring into your energy center as you hold your breath for a moment. Exhale completely as you visualize the light charging your crown chakra. Watch the bright violet light of your crown energy expand as the white light spirals into it. The violet grows brighter and more vibrant. Inhale again, visualizing the same white light traveling the same path to your crown chakra. Pause again between inhale and exhale, feeling that warm light radiating. Once more, as you exhale, picture the white light charging up your crown chakra. Do the same thing on the next inhale. Visualize the white light coming down, then pause to feel its radiating warmth. But this time, on the exhale, I want you to visualize the 1,000-petal lotus flower blooming and expanding at your crown chakra. As you exhale more and more, the color violet grows more and more vibrant. On the fourth and the final inhale, do the same thing, picturing the expanding lotus flower. Only this time it is so luminous that it glows with all of the 1,000 petals of the flower. It is so vital and it is so beautiful, and it has been brought to life by the magic of the light that you breathed into it. Feel the warmth radiating across your entire body. Sit for a moment, still breathing and picturing your crown chakra bloom. Feel its energy pulsating. Take the time to breathe for just a moment here. When you are ready, place your hands together at your chest in the prayer position and come back to reality. I hope you enjoyed that brief visualization meditation for the crown chakra. You should by now feel that you have fully stimulated your Sahasrara chakra. Thank you for watching.